Welcome to this tutorial on how to customize who can see your phone number on Facebook using your PC. In today's digital age, privacy is more important than ever, and Facebook offers a range of tools to help you control your personal information. Let's dive into the simple steps to ensure your phone number is only visible to those you choose. First, open Facebook and click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Once there, click on the About section, which is usually found below your profile photo. This section allows you to view and edit various details about yourself. In the About section, navigate to the Contact and Basic Info tab. Here, you'll find your phone number listed. Next to your phone number, you'll see a small icon that looks like a lock. Click on this icon to access the privacy settings for your phone number. Now you'll be presented with options on who can see your phone number. Instead of choosing from the predefined options, select Custom. This allows you to have full control over who can view your number. In the custom settings, you can specify friends, friends of friends, or even create a custom list of people you want to share your phone number with. To fill in the custom fields, simply type in the names of friends or lists you want to include. You can also exclude specific people if needed. Once you've set up your custom list, click Save to apply these changes. This ensures that only the people you've selected can see your phone number on Facebook. By following these steps, you're taking a crucial step in managing your privacy on Facebook. Remember, it's always a good idea to regularly review your privacy settings to ensure they align with your comfort level. With these simple steps, you can enjoy using Facebook while keeping your personal details secure. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your online privacy.